When people talk about immigration and everything like that, oh, immigration, we have to stop them, they're coming over the borders. I mean, it's an old story. And they know it so well because it's their story. No offense to my Caucasian brothers and sisters out there, but let's be real. None of y'all are from this country. You know what I'm saying? My great-grandmother was an Indian, titties out, tribal, everything, cooking maíz and everything. When she was on the beach cooking her corn and killing lechon and all that shit, they didn't stop you guys when y'all came on and be like, hold on, I need identification, I need to give you, measles, chickenpox test and all that, which we should have done because they brung that shit over here. I'm not gonna say nothing about that, but that's y'all. Y'all came over here sneezing and burping and shit. And right now, they see all the Mexicans, they know that power's in numbers, and they want to stop the immigration from changing this country the same way they changed it, the way they came in here and destroyed the society and rebuilt it and put it their own way. And they nervous, you know what I'm saying? We might have the first Moreno president, Chacho, you know what I'm saying? Like, he might even, get a Mexican or Puerto Rican to be his vice president. Mexico is half of America. California, New Mexico. I mean, it's, I'm not even Mexican, but I'm standing up for y'all right now. Mexicans like, yo, this is our country. You know what I'm saying? The Native Americans. Mexicans, you Native Americans too. Like, let's all be brothers. Don't let them divide us and put us other places. The divisions and everything is just the old strategy. It's divide and conquer. Well, let's cut that shit out, man. We all people. Black, brown, Indian, yellow, whatever. We all people. And if we all get together, man, ain't no stopping us. Like, come on. Let's be real.